Ever heard of the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a time-tested eating pattern inspired by the culinary traditions of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. This diet emphasizes the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins like fish and legumes, and healthy fats, particularly olive oil. It not only delights the taste buds, but also offers health benefits. Studies have confirmed that the Mediterranean diet reduces the risks of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain cancers. In this video, we are going to discuss how the Mediterranean diet can help you reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. Before proceeding further, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Prevent heart disease. The Mediterranean diet is a potent ally for heart health. Packed with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, it actively lowers harmful cholesterol levels, keeps blood pressure in check, and fights inflammation. The diet's omega-3 rich sources, such as fish and nuts, help keep your heart strong. By eating this diet, you're not only making delicious choices, but also providing your heart with a shield against serious heart issues, ensuring its longevity and well-being. It's like magic food for your heart. Improve brain health. Guess what? The Mediterranean diet isn't just good for your tummy, but it also supports brain health. It's full of yummy stuff like colorful fruits, veggies, and special olive oil that help your brain stay strong. And there's fish and nuts, like secret brain vitamins. These foods stop bad things that can make your brain tired. Plus, they help your brain remember things better. This diet also keeps your brain's sugar levels just right. So when you eat this way, you're giving your brain a big boost, kind of like superpowers for thinking and remembering. Weight management. Want to manage your weight? The Mediterranean diet is like a smart plan for weight management. It's a balanced approach to weight, abundant in nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods keep you satisfied for longer, preventing overeating. The diet's focus on natural, unprocessed choices means you're less likely to consume empty calories. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet encourages mindful eating and a balanced lifestyle, crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. With its emphasis on portion control and a variety of foods, this diet supports steady weight loss and weight maintenance. It's not a quick fix, but a way to lose weight slowly and keep it off. Manage blood sugar level. Imagine the Mediterranean diet as a clever choice to maintain your blood sugar. It's like a team of foods working together to keep your blood sugar levels steady. These foods act as bodyguards, ensuring your sugar levels don't jump too high or drop too low. The diet's fiber-rich treats help slow down the way sugar enters your blood, keeping things steady and balanced. And that's not all. The healthy fats from fish and nuts provide an additional layer of protection. By adopting this eating plan, you're giving your body the best opportunity to keep your blood sugar content and in good health. Reduce aging. Want to age like a champ? The Mediterranean diet is like a magic potion for staying young inside and out. It helps make you strong against getting old. Mediterranean diet foods are like superheroes that fight off the stuff that makes you look and feel old. It's full of antioxidants and nutrients that fight the effects of aging. These elements combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which play a role in aging and age-related diseases. They help your skin stay super fresh. Plus, the diet tells you to stay active and hang out with friends, which is great for feeling awesome. So, when you eat this way, you're telling your body to stay young and full of energy. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful on your health journey. If you really liked the content, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. By subscribing to our channel, you become a valued member of our YouTube community and can enjoy healthcare videos every day. If you have any health-related questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, keep making healthy choices and keep smiling. Stay tuned for another fantastic healthcare video tomorrow.